This is video for see the snow today. I told you everybody, this is part number 2. Rainy snow here in Massachusetts. I showed you 1 hour ago. It's coming rain now. Snow, very rain, snow. You see the car, white top. This is the first rainy snow today first. And the morning is a little bit, today in the afternoon is very hard. See? Look at this. Look at the letters. The white. Como pueden ver, esta es la primera tormenta que ha caído aquí en Massachusetts de nieve. Y arrancó la primera y viene mucha más. Ahorita nomás es una acumulación de unas 2 pulgadas. A veces hay 6, 8, 12 pulgadas. Today accumulation in snow is 2 inches. Probably later it's coming more. 1 foot, 8 inches, something. I got to see in the back now. In my back, at the back of my apartment, probably more. See, this is the car cleaning the road when it's snow. Look at the car, it's ready. This is cleaning the road, putting salt on the floor. There's a lot of cars like this, I gotta see the back of my apartment. See the more snow in there. Puchi, vamos a ver al otro lado. Puchi. Wait. Puchi. Go. Sí, esta es la primera tormenta. Ya está blanco, falta mucho. Va a nevar más. Go, Pipi, go over there. See, lies, no. Come here, Puchi. Come here down. Come here over here. Let's go. Venga. Venga, he say hi here. Hey. Venga. Vamos, he say hi. Hi. Puchi. He say hi.